So thank you for joining us today. We do hope that you are safe. For those of you that are not familiar with the French cluster, we are a pool of French experts based out of Los Angeles. And we strive to help other professionals in the region to succeed in their career, whether they are entrepreneurs or employees. We organize regular networking events, as you probably know, and we will be back soon with those kind of events as we can do them. We are also posting advices in our blog and give you access to a large network that we have built if you do so have some project here in LA. We do also podcast and webinar like this one today. So we are all facing challenges in this crisis, and today we would like to address you with some key aspects that could help you going through this situation and looking forward. So there will be four different topics for today. So we don't know yet in which order because we are missing somebody, but there will be the immigration, the current situation, and your future. The financial helps that are currently available relative to taxes, different helps, federal and local. The investments, how the market will evolve in the next months and what does it mean for you. And some more local kind of things around Los Angeles about solidarity, nonprofit, healthcare, and all that kind of things. So unless Lauren is around, Lauren, do you hear us?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Okay, great. So let me present our speakers today. Lauren D'Alessio is an immigration lawyer in Los Angeles, founded the D'Alessio Law Group. With her team, including Stephanie Renin, they help immigrants from all over the world to get the right visa to work and live in the US, with a specialty on O1 and E2 visa, but not just those. Then we'll have Stefan Saldivia, that is a financial advisor, specialized in comprehensive financial planning and investment management. We'll have, following French Roy, who is an international taxation expert, who help you navigate between sometimes difficult paths in the US taxation in combination with your situation abroad. And I will present you about, I'm with my company, my Expats US. We do help entrepreneurs to settle and adjust in the US on mostly personal matters. We have received some questions in advance, and we'll address the topics during our session. And if you have specific questions, do not hesitate to use the chat box and we'll answer them. I will now let Lauren explain the latest development on travel ban, visa processing and the recent situation relative to new green cards that we all knew about. And we ask you please to turn your video off to save the bandwidth unless you're presenting something here. So please, we welcome Lauren.